Hi, my name is Martin from the SpeakLike team, and today we're going to have a look at the website review widget from SpeakLike. To do that, let's jump over to the demo. If we go to the upper left corner here, this is a site where we translate a couple of strings, and you see what happens if I hover over certain areas of these strings is that they get highlighted first, and then there's this pop-up called translation feedback. And when I click that, a new window opens. What happens here is that you can directly submit feedback or reviews for translations on your site. So again, this basically means that anyone who reviews sees all the translations directly in the context, can highlight a translation, submit translation feedback directly from there. And the way the feedback works is that first we see the original. So the source language here is English. And we see the translation. And what I could do here, I could just add another word, or I could just basically make any correction in this field. I can submit a brief rating. This helps us become better over time, and provide additional comments to the translation, and then click submit. What happens is that the feedback is submitted and will be reviewed in this case. So I'm just going to go back to a slide to demonstrate what happens next. So how do these reviews work? Well, you see your website on the lower left, and what we already did is we submitted reviews directly on the website. Again, this could be you or your clients, it could be your community, but it could also be SpeakLike reviewers that go through each and every one of your pages to make sure that the content is right. Now once they submit their feedback, the feedback gets into the SpeakLike translation memory. SpeakLike operates as a huge memory for translations so that you never translate things twice. It's very economic to work with a translation memory in any larger website translation project. And once it is in the SpeakLike system, you can basically access the translation using either the API or the strings product directly to download your PO files or Java properties or basically any kind of language file. Or you can use the web tool to access translations and, for example, copy and paste them into your website again. So this is how you can fully automate the not only translation process but also the review process, and make sure that your site is optimized for quality translations. So that's it. Thanks a lot. The next step for you is to go to speaklike.com and get a developer account to start playing around with our API, strings, and of course also the website review widget.